You want to learn how to fry authentic Jamaican chicken back served with bread? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. In this bowl, I have 4 pieces of chicken back. They're already clean, just need to wash with lime and vinegar. So the chicken back, them already washed and drained off. Now I'm going to set them to the side. In this bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons Briscoes all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon black pepper. Now mix all ingredients together. To the chicken back, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon green seasoning. Now I'm going to add half of the seasoning we just mix. Now massage the seasoning in the chicken back. Now I'm going to make the breading. To my bowl, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch. Now I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. Mix everything together. Now put the chicken back in the breading. Now shake off the excess breading. Put them on a wire rack. Going to make them rest for 10 minutes before frying them. This is the pan I'm going to fry the chicken back in. Turn on the stove. Going to add oil. I'm going to season the oil with scallion, thyme, 1 pepper. Now remove the seasoning from the pot. Add the chicken back. Going to make them fry for 15 minutes. They've been frying for 7 minutes. I'm going to flip them over. Now the chicken back them fry. I'm going to take them out the oil. So here you have it, authentic Jamaican style fried chicken served with bread and ketchup. Look at this. Nice and tasty.